Hello kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to Margadarshak Play School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking Standard LKG subject Maths. Standard LKG subject Maths. Open your Maths textbook. Little Learners Maths Level 2. Open your textbook. Little Learners Maths Level 2. Yes. Open your textbook. Page number 4848. Page number 4848. Today we'll finish page number 48 49. Yes, 48 49. Hello number 9. Today we will learn number 9. Today we will learn number 9. Till 8 we finished. Yes, today we are going to learn number 9. First say numbers 1. Yes, after 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So today we are going to learn number 9. You too open your fingers and count. Count. Say 1 2 3 4 5. So in one hand how many fingers we have? 5 6 7 8 and 9. So today we will learn number 9. Today we will learn how to write number 9. Yes, open your textbook now. See your textbook. Trace and read. Trace and read. You can trace it with your finger or you can take pencil. Take pencil and trace on that and learn. Take pencil. Dots are given. I will teach you how to write number 9. See the board. See the board. First you will write half circle. Yes, first you will write C. You all know how to write C, no? Yes, yes. Then you will write one standing line. This is number 9. This is number 9. Once again, half curve. C, half circle. Yes, C. First you will write big C. Then one standing line. Then one standing line. So which number is this? Number 9. Which number is this? Number 9. You will write number 9 in this way. Come on, trace it. Trace it. Dots are given in your textbook in this way. Yes. Dots are given in this way in your textbook. So trace it on that. Take pencil. Start from here. First you will draw half curve. First you will draw half curve. Yes. First you will draw half curve. Then one standing line. Then one standing line. So what is this? Number 9. What is this? Number 9. 5 times trace it on that. 5 times you should trace it. First you will write this half circle. Big C. Yes, A, B, C. Then you will draw one standing line. Draw one standing line. 5 times you should trace it on that number. Come on, do it. Second time. First one big C, then one standing line. Number 9. Once again. Big C, half circle, then one standing line. 5 times trace it on that. What is this? Which number is this? Number 9. Which number is this? Number 9. Yes, did you finish? Did you finish number 9? Tracing number 9. Now count how many dots are there in your textbook here. Count how many dots are there in textbook. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dots are there. So in this way we will write number 9. So fingers also, no? Just now we counted with fingers. Come on, count again. 9 fingers. Open. 1. You too should do along with me. Open your fingers and count. Count. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, so today we are learning number 9. You know now how to write number 9? Yes. See here, page number 48. Draw and color 9 bananas for the elephant. Yes. elephant likes to eat bananas, no? Here you should count and draw only 9 bananas. Don't draw 5, 6 or 7. They asked you to draw 9 bananas. Elephant want to eat bananas. Yes, it can't take from the tree. So you draw 9 bananas for the elephant to eat. You know how to draw banana? Draw it. This is your homework. Draw and color bananas in your textbook is your homework. Yes, you will draw banana in your textbook. You will draw 9 bananas. How many bananas? 9 bananas in your textbook for this elephant to eat. That is your homework. You will draw 9 bananas. Here space is given, no? You can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If not sufficient, you can draw up also. 9 bananas you should draw. Draw and color 9 bananas. Draw and color. In this way you will draw 1 banana, no? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bananas you will draw for this elephant and color the bananas. Now shall we go to next? Page number 49. Page number 49. What you have see here? Cross out. What you should do? Cross out. You should put a into sign. Cross out 9 elephants in the picture. You can see here many elephants are there. You should cross 9. You should count and cross. So take pencil. You will do along with me. You will count and cross how many? Only 9 you should cross. Many are there in this, but cross out only 9. Shall we do? You should count and do. Start. From which number you will count? You will start from 1. You will start from 1. So you will cross. First elephant cross. 1 cross. Yes, 1 I crossed. Did you do it in your textbook? 1 elephant I crossed in my textbook. Did you finish? Yes, I crossed 1. You too should cross 1. Yes, finish. 2 cross second elephant. 2. Second one also I crossed. 2 elephants crossed. 3 elephants crossed. 3 over. 4 cross fourth elephant also. 4 crossed. Cross fifth elephant also. I crossed 5 elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elephants I crossed. How many they told to cross? 9 elephants. How many they told to cross? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elephants crossed. Yes. Now 6. Cross 6. Sixth one also I crossed. Did you cross in your textbook? Yes, 6. 7. I crossed 7th one also. Cross 7. Yes, did you finish? 7. 8th one. Cross 8th one. Cross 8th one also. And cross 9. How many they told us to cross? 9, no? How many they told us to cross? 9. Did we cross 9? Count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I crossed 9 elephants in my book. Did you do 9 elephants in your textbook? Did you cross 9 elephants in your textbook? Now say how many elephants are left? You did not cross only 1 elephant. Yes, why? Because total 10 elephants are there here. They asked us to do only 9. They asked us to cross only 9. So we crossed 9 elephants and 1 elephant is left. That 1 elephant you will not cross. They asked us to do only 9. Yes, did you finish crossing in your textbook? Yes, did you cross the elephants? 9 elephants. You should count and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You should open your mouth. You should count and do. Then only you will do correctly. Yes, did you finish? Now what they gave? Trace and write 9. Come on, start writing. 3 rows are there. In 2 rows already dots are given. You trace on the dots and you write number 9. Come on, start writing. No, how to write number 9? How you are going to write? Yes. How you will write? Already dots are given in 2 lines. In this way dots are given in your textbook. So you will trace it on the dots. First you will write C, half curve. C. This is half curve. Circle means full circle. Yes, this is circle. Half circle means in this way we will write, no? So half curve you will write, or you can say C. No, A, B, C. Then one standing line. Number 9. Say and write. Yes, say and write in your textbook. Standing line. Number line. Half curve and standing line. Number 9. Half curve and standing line. Number 9. Say and write. Half curve and standing line. Number 9. Trace it. In 2 rows on the dots given, you should trace it on the dots. Half curve and standing line. Number 9. Half curve and standing line. Number 9. Yes, did you finish? Last row you should only write. Last row you should only write. Yes, draw one half curve first, then one standing line. Number 9. Say and write neatly. Yes, half curve and standing line. Number 9. Standing line. Half curve and standing line. Number 9. Half curve and standing line. Number 9. Half curve, standing line. 9. Number 9. Half curve and standing line. Number 9. Yes, did you finish? Number 9. Come on, write it neatly. Write it very neatly. Yes, on this dots you should write. Trace it first on the dots and complete these 2 rows. Trace it on the dots and complete the 2 rows. Number 9. Say and write. Number 9. Number 9. 9. 9. 9. Number 9. Yes. Number 9. Now here in these boxes you should only write. In these boxes you should only write. So first write half circle. Then one standing line. And which number is this? Number 9. Half circle and standing line. Number 9. Half circle. Yes. Standing line. Number 9. Come on, write it in the boxes. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, finish writing number line. Now move to next paper, page number 5050. So we will finish page number 50 and 51 also. So today we will finish page number 50 and 51 also. Hello number. What is this known as? 0. Hello number 0. Hello number 0. Yes, hello number 0. First you will trace it on 0. You will trace it on 0. You will trace it on 0. Yes, dots are given in your book in this way. Yes, you will start from here. Come on, start. 0. Trace it on that. 5 times you will say and do. 0. Again, once again. 0. Trace it on that. Yes, 2 times finish. 5 times. 0. Say and do. 0. 3 times I finished. Yes. 0. 4th time over. Again start. 0. Say and write. Yes, what is this? 0. Now say what do you mean by 0? 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Now see how many markers I have in this hand. How many markers I have in this hand? 1, 2, 3 markers. How many markers I have in this hand? 1, 2, 3 markers. In this hand how many I have? Nothing. 0. Yes, 0 means nothing. No value. 0. Yes, in this hand I have 3. In this hand 1, 2, 3 markers are there. But in this hand no markers. That means 0. That means 0 markers. Now see this flower pot. What is this? Flower pot. Yes, one more flower pot. What are these in flower pot? Flowers are there. What are there in flower pot? Flowers are there. Yes. In this flower pot, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3. In this flower pot, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now say me, in this flower pot you have how many flowers? No flowers. No. That means 0. No flowers means 0 flowers. In this I have 1, 2, 3 flowers I have in this pot, flower pot. But in this flower pot, no flowers. No flowers means 0. No flowers means 0. Nothing is there in this flower pot. That means 0 flowers. In this pot I have 3. But in this pot I don't have 1 flower also. If 1 is there, you will say 1 flower. Yes, if 1 flower is there, you will say 1 flower is there in that flower. But 1 is also not there. Then what you will say? Nothing. 0. That means 0. Nothing is there means what? 0. If 1 is there, we will say I have 1 in this hand. So what you will say? 1 marker. But in this hand, 1 also not there. That means 0 markers are there. Yes. In one hand I have 1 marker. In this hand I don't have 1 also. That means 0 markers are there. No markers. Nothing is there. No. So 0. Value of 0 means nothing. No value of 0. 0. We don't have anything. Yes, in this flower pot we have 3. In this flower pot 1 flower also not there. No, 0 flowers. That means 0 flowers are there in this flower pot. Here I have 3. In here I have 0 flower pots. In what is this? Duster. Yes, in one hand I have 1 duster. In this hand no duster means 0 dusters. No, in one hand I have 1 duster. So what will say? 1 duster. In this hand I don't have duster. So 0 dusters. 0 duster. Now see your textbook. What are these here? Trace and read. Yes, finish writing, tracing, and what is this known as? 0. Z-E-R-O. 0. What is this? 0. What is this? 0. And which number is this? Number 9. Which number is this? Number 9. And this is 0. This is 0. Now see here. What are these? 3 jars are there. Yes. Chocolate jars, biscuit jars are there. But anything is there in these jars? No, that means 0. If 1 chocolate is there, we will say 1 chocolate is there, 1 biscuit is there, 2 are there means 2 biscuit packets are there. But here in this, all these pots are empty, nothing is there, nothing is there. That means 0. That means 0. Nothing is there means 0. So what they told here, next one see, cross 0 stars in the picture. Cross 0 stars in the picture. Cross 1 means you will cross 1 star. Yes, cross 1 star. Suppose here, what are these? Stars are there here. Stars are given and they ask you to cross 0 stars in the picture. Cross 0 stars in the picture. If they say you to cross 1 star, you will cross 1 star. You will cross 1 star. Yes, but what they told cross 0. 0 means you will not cross 1 also. Yes, you will not cross 1 also. If they ask you to cross 1 star, at least 1 you will cross. If they ask you to cross 2 stars, you will cross 2. If they ask you to cross 3, you will cross 3. Yes, if they ask you to cross 4, you will cross 4. But what they told you, cross 0. 0 means you should not cross any star. 0 means Nothing. 0 means nothing. No, so you should not cross. If they say 1 to cross, you will cross 1 star. If they say 2 to cross, you will cross 2 stars. But here they told cross 0 stars. 0 stars means you will not cross any star. You will not cross any star. Yes. What is this? Night sky. No, night time you will see the sky in this way, stars and moon. No, with stars and moon, with stars and moon. What is this? Night sky. Night sky. When you see night time, when you see the sky, it will be like this dark and it will have lots of stars and moon. So here they told cross 0 stars, means 0 means you should not cross anything. No, 1 means you will cross 1, 2 means you will cross 2 stars, but 0 means no crossing. You should not cross any star here also. Now move to page number 5151. 5151. Draw 0 cherries on the ice cream. Yes, draw 0 cherries on the ice cream. This is ice cream. Now they asked you to draw 0 cherries. You will have cherries on ice cream, no? Yes, red color cherries on ice cream. So they told you to draw cherries on the ice cream. How many cherries you should draw it in? You should draw 0 cherries. It's in. How many cherries you should draw it in? 0. Now I am asking you to draw 1 cherry on this. You will draw 1 cherry. If I say 2 cherries, you will draw 2 cherries. Yes. If I say 3 cherries, you will draw 3 cherries. Yes. 1, 2, 3. But what they told you, draw 0 cherries means 0 means what? No, nothing. No, 0 means you should not draw anything. If they say you to draw 1, you will draw 1. Yes, if they ask you to draw 2, you will draw 2. But here they asked you to draw 0 cherries. What they asked you to draw? 0 cherries means you should not draw any cherries on these ice creams. Here you can see 2 ice creams given. Yes, 2 ice creams given. What they told? Draw 0 cherries on the ice cream. 0 means nothing. 1 means we'll draw 1. 2 means we'll draw 2. But 0 means nothing. No, so you should not draw anything. You should not draw any cherry on this ice cream. You should not draw any cherry on this ice cream. Yes, now this ice cream is without cherries. That means 0 cherries are there in this ice cream. Yes, this ice cream is without cherries. Yes, this ice cream is without cherries. That means 0 cherries are there on ice cream. Second ice cream, any cherries are there in this second ice cream? No, that means 0 cherries. 1 means if 1 cherry is there, we'll say 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. But on this ice cream, no cherries are there. That means 0 cherries. Finish. Now trace and write 0. Come on, write it. Trace and write on these. First trace it on the dots given. Then in the third row, you will write it on your own. Come on, neatly you should trace on that only. Neatly you should do it on that. Slowly trace on that only. It should not come out of the line. In this way it's given, no? Trace it correctly on that. Trace it correctly on the dots. Yes, you will start from here. Correctly trace it on the dots. Join all the dots and say 0. Say and write 0. 0. Yes, trace on that and write, say 0. Say and write. Do it in your textbook. Your textbook work should be completed now. Come on, do it. 0. Say and write. In this way, dots are given in your textbook. So take pencil and trace exactly on the dots. Join all the dots. Say and write 0. Yes. Did you finish? 0. Say and write 0. 0. Yes, finished. I finished. Did you finish? 2 rows you should trace on that. Say and write 0. Arrow mark is given. No, you should start from this side. Start from the yellow dot. Yellow dot is given to you. Start from the yellow dot. Come this way and join. 0. Yes. 0. 0. Exactly. Trace it on the dots only. Say and write. 0. 0. Yes. Z-E-R-O. 0. 0. Yes. Finish. Now in these boxes you should only write. Yes. In these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes you should only write. They did not give you dots. Write it very neatly in that. Yes. Start. 0. Say and write. 0. 0. Yes. 0. 0. 0. You will write in your textbook. Write it. 0. Yes. 0. 0. Say and write. 0. Yes, so today we have learned number 9. How to write number 9 and 0. How to write number 9 and 0. 9, how you will write? Half circle. Yes. Then one standing line. Number 9. 0. Yes, you will start from this side. Full circle. Again you will go and join the same line. 0. Number 9. 0. 9. 0. 9. 0. So you are going to practice these two numbers today, 9 and 0, in your books. In your rough notebook you will practice. So today we have learned how to write number 9 and 0. And what homework I gave you? You should draw 9 bananas. Don't write number 9. You should draw bananas. Elephant want bananas to eat. So you will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bananas in the space given. Draw 9 bananas and color the 9 bananas, and you will learn to practice number 9 and 0 in your books. Okay. Once again, you will trace it on number 9 and 0 and practice these two numbers. Do it in your rough notebook. You will draw these 9 bananas and color. Count and draw. Only 9 should be there. Not less than 9 or more than 9. Only 9. Exactly 9 bananas should be there. Color that and practice in your books to write number 9 and 0. Thank you, children.